How to delete WhatsApp chat from iCloud. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete WhatsApp chat from iCloud. Start by opening the Settings application on your iPhone. Look for and tap your Apple ID at the top of the Settings menu. In the Apple ID menu, find and tap on iCloud. Once in the iCloud settings, scroll down until you see the Show All option and tap on it. Now continue scrolling until you find WhatsApp in the list of apps. Toggle the switch next to it to turn it off. After that, go back to the iCloud settings and tap on Manage Storage. Look for WhatsApp Messenger in the list and tap on it. Finally, you will see an option that says Delete Data from iCloud. Give it a tap to delete all WhatsApp data from your iCloud storage. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp messages will be permanently deleted from iCloud. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.